हेली उडेकै छैन
उद्घाटन कार्यक्रम आज चाहिँ भव्य स्वागत
हेलो 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 हेलो
हेली आउने बेला गेटमा
अब उतापट्टि आउने भन्नु है आउनेहरूलाई
महिना 20 गतेको दिन यस पुटादन गाउँपालिका वडा नम्बर 1 मा काँदुरी नेपालको खानेपानी उद्घाटन कार्यक्रमको समारोहको अध्यक्षज्यू यस्तै गरी हामीलाई यस खानेपानी एकदम अनुकूलता हुँदा पनि
our donor Kituri, who helped build this very special drinking water project for this village. They were struggling for water for centuries. They were drinking water from very polluted source, also from ponds, and for many decades, for many years, their people, especially women and children, were struggling for water. Now, with the construction of this drinking water project, all their woes have gone, have become past. So, we would like to thank Kituri organization for this generous support for this drinking water project. Also, we would like to thank for coming and visiting this village despite the inclement weather. And finally, we hope that the relationship with Kaduri will continue for many years to come. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Ma'am, Mr. Whittle, Esme Whittle, Andrew Mill Sahib, Dr. Narang Gurung Sahib, and ladies and gentlemen, good morning and namaskar. A very warm welcome to Maikot Serum Drinking Water Project site. My name is Buddha Kumar Poon, and I am project manager in the water section at KAAA. I am pleased to say some key features of this Maikot Serum Drinking Water Project and Sri Putha Himalaya Secondary School Latin Project. The Maikot village is a beautiful and culturally rich remote settlement located in the Putha Uttar Ganga Rural Municipality, Ward number 1, Rukum East District. It is located about 2,442 meters altitude from the sea level. The people residing here are Magar Pun caste in majority and Vishwakarma in minority. The house built with dry stone wall with mud and flat roof covered with the mud is really unique. The cooperation toward us was strong so that we could have successful completion of water and Latin project. This project was constructed in fiscal year 2023-24. Its total budget was $200,103. Beneficiary of this project are 1,702 people and 349 households of Maikot Serum village, including community building area, police post, health post, and school. The Putha Himalaya Higher Secondary School Latin project was similarly constructed in fiscal year 2023-24. Its total budget was $15,216. Beneficiary of this project are 460 students, including teacher and school staff. The source lies 4 kilometers from village and 2 hours walking from here. Of this project, the water supply system was poorly running. There was no enough reservoir tanks. SDB pipes were running unburied and were innumerable leakages at pipelines. Public tap stands were at far away and at center of many households. That's why people had to collect their drinking water by carrying on vessel at back and had to spend their time for collecting their drinking water. Stand for each households are built which save their time in collection of their drinking water and their hygienic condition is improved. Now the villagers are very happy to have this project and very grateful to KAA for this project.
अहिले बुद्धले भनेपछि बुद्धको छातामा र अनि तिमीले 1-2 कुराहरू भनेपछि 1-2-3 भन्दा मात्रै रिटर्न काट्नु अगाडि आउनु सबै आउनु भयो ल आज यो एकदम हाम्रो शुभ सायदको दिन हाम्रो यो मैकोट सेवरम खानेपानी आयोजनाको विधिवत रूपमा उद्घाटन हुन गइरहेको छ त्यसको लागि आजको हाम्रो प्रमुख अतिथि हाम्रो हङकङबाट आउनुभएको डेबोरा मेकोली म्याडमलाई हामी अनुरोध गर्दछौँ हामी चाहिँ 1 2 3 भन्छौँ हजुरहरूले ताली पिटेर साथ दिनु होला हुन्छ म्याम आई विल काउन्ट 1 2 3 एन्ड यु विल स्टार्ट कटिङ रिबन ओके 1 2 3 Now, can you please open the tap? पहिले भरेर राखेको Can you please open the tap? Yeah, and it works. Lisa, please come forward. Lisa. Ready? पानी आउँछ हैन
हल्लाउँदै होइन एउटा यहाँहरूले सबैले एकदम खुसीका साथ साथ दिनुहुनेछ गाजा बाजा यसो गाजा बाजा पनि बनाउँदै गर्दा हुन्छ यसो होइन रमाइलो गर्दै उहाँहरूलाई चाहिँ यसो बिदा गर्दा हुन्छ है त हेलो सबैजनाले गाजा बाजा सहित उहाँहरूलाई बिदाई हातबाट लगाउँदै उहाँलाई चाहिँ हेर्नुसम्म पुर्याउनुको लागि सबैले अनुरोध गर्न चाहन्छु
माइला उहाँहरूसँग जनताको बिचमा राखेर फोटो खिचेर बोलामा राख्नु Nanti lihat bang.
Ini dia kan.